Yeah, so I had a little bit of a break there, like 5 years or so. What am I doing? Sorry, I'm trying to listen to directions. Yeah, we're back at it. I know my loyal subscribers were definitely waiting for that new video. If you stuck around 5 years and are still watching this, hey, what's up? Welcome back. Not gonna lie, a little stressed out right now. I had Good Friday at work. So I just started this job. I'm an intern, and my first week's paycheck was supposed to like come in today. So it was like a good amount of money, and I went to go pick it up. The payroll lady just left, and I don't know when she's gonna be back. Like, she went home sick for the weekend. I'm like, great. So I show up and they're like, yeah, we don't have it. Like, it's locked in our office. My paycheck, it is a beautiful Friday. I am not upset. It is too nice to be upset right now. So yeah, that was my little paycheck dilemma. But yeah, basically I had to do that because my direct deposit's not set up in their system till next week. So it's pretty dumb, but I guess it makes sense because I did just start like 3 weeks ago. Not everything's like in order on their end yet, but I'm over it. Like I said, too beautiful day. My car says it's 83 degrees. Check that out. So it's yeah, not a bad start to the weekend. Besides that little minor mishap and whatever. I got paid to like sit around and wait anyway, so I can't really complain that much, you know. Definitely about to have some fun. Headed to Parker's house, so we're gonna see what the weekend has in store for us. No, it's a time. We're definitely having a time, but this traffic blows. I don't know how many of you guys are like commuters every day and like live in a city where traffic sucks, but I am not from one of those cities. And right now I am living in feels like LA traffic, or what I assume to be is, because right now I have like a 40-mile drive and it says it's gonna take like an hour and 14 minutes. So I'm just not looking forward to that whatsoever. This is not fun at all. I've been waiting in this line for like 5 minutes and it's just one light. This is the first turn. I literally haven't even left yet. All my car people out there, I'm in that 2013 S5. Definitely gonna feature some videos on the channel about this bad boy. Right now it's filthy because I got like my gym stuff, my work stuff. All right, so we're trying to be like here, and then it goes all the way out literally until we get on the highway. Keep in mind, this is an entry ramp to a highway where it's like 70 miles an hour. So I just got this car tuned. It's a stage 1 ECU tune. So right now I'm pushing like 440 horsepower. It is an entirely different car. So the S5 stock does like 333 horsepower. It is a whole different car. It is nuts. It is absolutely just like, it wakes the car up completely. I think if you have this engine, it's a 3.0 TFSI supercharged V6. If you have this engine, I know it's in the S4, S5, and then the Audi A6. I highly recommend you get some sort of tune because, yeah, it is way more fun than how it was stock. I don't break traffic laws, personally. I think it's silly and childish, irresponsible even. I don't know how well that picked up on camera. Yeah, that will not get old ever. The haters might say I'm old and washed up, too old to be vlogging. You're probably right, but I'm just here for a good time, all right? I'm just here to become YouTube famous, all right? No, that's a joke. I'm just bored and I have nothing else to do better than record myself being bored all the time. So I'm passing the savings on to everybody else on YouTube who's unfortunate enough to be subscribed to me still. You're welcome. Just when I thought I couldn't get any worse, there's a train. I don't know if this will focus, if you can see that. There's a train crossing literally like a half mile away. I've been sitting in the same spot, straight up 0 miles an hour for like the last, I'd say maybe 10 minutes. Well, that took forever, but nonetheless, we're here, so happy about that. Can't see anything. It is much, much better than working. Tell you what. All right, we've got a beautiful sunset here in Southeast Michigan. We actually came up with a little game we got going, so I'm gonna give you a little insight on that. It's kind of fun, not gonna lie. We just threw it together stuff we found in the garage. All right, the objective is to put it in the bucket. In the bucket. We'll hit it one of these days. Jeez, you put her in the tree. Dude, how have we not made one yet? One man, one ball, one bucket.
Let's go!
Oh!
Where are they at? Mom, Dad, get Mason and Charlotte. Hey, Mason. Mason, if you're a man, come here. She's alive, baby. She's alive.
Worst uncle ever, dude. Here in my garage.
Oh, shut it. Oh, straight up. This is where I sleep.
Parker sleeps here. This is bed.
I sleep right there.
Oh, we got some Luke Combs going. Copyrighted music. Can't have that. We're going to get some copyright strikes. let's get this road on the show. About to hit some Starbucks, I think, and then start the day. It's on this cloudy Saturday morning, but so one thing I absolutely love about this car is that comfort mode, it is like a limousine. You can barely hear the exhaust, and I have a modified exhaust, mind you, but it is literally like a limo. It is so smooth. This car is absolutely just like a pleasure to drive. Once you put it into sport mode, it's a monster, dude. This thing, got a little bit of a line here at Starbucks. I think that's one thing people don't do enough. Water is so important. I drink like 12,000 gallons of water a day. It is less than that, but pretty darn close. Honestly, the longest part of my day right now is sitting in the Starbucks line. So yeah, so fun fact about this package, I actually, what's inside there is music festival tickets to Bonnaroo. Now, I don't know if you guys are like music festival or EDM fans, or I guess it's not even EDM, it's like all sorts of music, but basically it's a bunch of artists that perform for like 4 days or something stupid. And when I was under the influence, I guess, one night, I decided I wanted to see Post Malone in concert really bad. So I went online, just like bought tickets, like Post Malone tickets, bought the first ones, no biggie. And then I woke up the next morning and wait, why does my email say I just bought Bonnaroo Music Festival tickets? Like, this is not good. It was $400. So I ended up selling my tickets on StubHub like a week later. It was probably the dumbest things I've ever done, not gonna lie, but trying to make some money back on it, and some kid's gonna be happy he's getting my music festival passes for pretty cheap. So, but yeah, now I'm charged with the responsibility of dropping this off at a UPS drop box, like mailbox thing, to get it shipped. And the music festival's in like 12 days, but it says it's got like 2-day shipping on it, so I'm not that worried. Dude, things I should have kept a timer on: how long that train was there, and then how long the Starbucks line is taking. I feel like an entirety of this vlog is just me waiting. Like, it sucks for me, but at least you guys get to like skip through it, but this is not fun. Only took about 15 minutes. Honestly, this is probably my favorite thing from Starbucks. That's gonna be the question of the day. What do you guys get at Starbucks? Mine's the iced mocha. I'm a big coffee guy. This is gonna be a tough entry. Holy shit, what do we got here? Is that a 570S? Wonder where he's going. That's gorgeous. Oh, he's going to the same gas station I am. Oh. Alright, so we're squadding up with this dude, I guess. Jesus Christ, that 570 is so gorgeous. Yeah, if there's one car I need in the world, it is red 570S. So I just talked to the dude of the 570S, and he seemed pretty cool. Dude's probably like 30 years old. That's where I want to be, man. I don't know where that kind of money is, but I'm trying to make it. That's what, $200,000 car, which is achievable if you just put your mind to it, but holy. Yeah, dude is cool. We just kind of like bulled at the gas station. All right, so a little surprise. We're actually going to be stopping by a Lamborghini Troy because that's fun. Kind of look around. I think they have a Maserati dealership too. Yo, we got a slammed Bentley. This thing is nuts. Dude, those are some rims and some coilovers. Got this Ghibli here. Ooh, is it an old Rolls? Roll down my window. That is a sweet color too. What is that? How did I not see all these? A bunch of McLarens found their way over here. Just a whole ass line of Maseratis on both sides. A little Huracan in the window action. And then, is that a Bugatti dealership? What we got in here? Looks like an MP412C 570S. Can't see because of the glare, but there's a few 570s and a bunch of Bentleys. Oh, look at this thing. I'm surprised they haven't parked out here. 720S, couple of them. Jeez, man. That is a car I would like to own. Holy fuck. One thing our cars have in common: carbon fiber mirror caps, baby. We're almost there. We're pretty much the same thing. It's a lot of 720S. I'm surprised, honestly. They're like legit filming over there. I don't know what they're filming, but dude, I'm just chilling. I completely forgot there's a Lamborghini delership over here. Thought I might go enjoy my little Sunday night cruise. Maseratis and such. I have no idea like what kind of schedule I got uploading wise, so I guess stay in tune for that because we're just getting back into it. If you guys like this video, throw me some feedback, like, comment, whatever. Yeah, deuces.